The investment was made in your company. It got X5, 10, maybe 20, maybe 100, because the information what we got, it is helped. Close rate was 11, but now it's 27. Numbers, it was from 8 to 24, 25,000. So I just want to tell for everybody who thinks to invest to your company or not, I can put Sharpify in the first place. It's the best experience so far.
So, good day, Aydin. How you doing?
Good day. Fine. What about you?
I'm good. Having my, cappuccino.
Very good.
Could you please explain me in 30 seconds what it is that you do and in which market are you in?
I'm working in Turkish market. We are teaching people how to get clients and how to become a digital marketer and how to get clients being digital marketer. And our offer is very strong. Of course, with your help. Our offer is this. If you don't find client, we will find for you. We'll find it for you.
That's a nice one. I like it. I like it. How did you find us? How do we get to meet?
Okay. I used to live in Europe, and you had a ad. Coaches in Europe, don't do what American coaches tell you to do. Okay, I just listen to you. Okay, really? American market is different than Europe market and other markets. I think Turkish market is near to Europe, and it's just got my attention, and I just went into your funnel and
cool.
Recovery call after.
So can you walk me through some of the numbers, some of the successes? Like where was the business before we started working? Where is the business now? Like can you give me some numbers, some results, some stuff?
Yes. When I just first time talked with your teammate, there was $9,000 per month, and I was alone in my company. No employees. Now we have 3 success team, 4 sales team and assistant, and we are continuing to hiring. And after the summer, we will build with 15 people in the planning to become 15. And numbers, it was from 8. I hope that in average 8,000 to 24, 25,000. We reached, and we are going up. Summertime, it's not going like with crazy increasing because it's summertime. But in the September, it will start increasing with X's, 2x and 3x.
Let's go. What were the biggest kind of things we helped you with? What do you think was the biggest kind of needle movers?
Let me explain you. There is something what I like the information from you, the complex things becoming easier to understand and becoming easier to implement. It's because the entrepreneurs or coaches, I think everybody's doing business. We like to make something difficult for us. And your team showed me, and my team also, my sales team also, how to do. Because when we started my sales team, sales conversion rate, close rate was 11, but now it's 27. It's maybe some digits 11, 12, but it's huge amount of money.
It's huge difference.
Huge difference. And we also made academy inside our company, so no new classes comes 3 days. And they know how to sell, they know how to tell, they know everything. And this is very important also because the help and how you treat your students and how you treat the companies who is working with you. It's really a good example for all coaches, for all companies, coaching companies. And we are doing the same, but we are teaching how to become digital marketer, and I am learning and implementing from your company a lot of things, and it's really helpful.
Thank you for saying
easily
that.
This. I can tell easily. It's easily. It's no doubt. The investment was what I was made in your company. The purchase, it got X5, 10, maybe 20, maybe 100, because it will. The information what we got, it is helped. There is if ROAS now like a. For now, it may be 5 times, 10 times, maybe now. But the information what I got, we will be implementing it next year also. We will be like a. So I just want to tell for everybody who thinks to invest to your company or not. I got coaching out from a lot of people. With some I'm happy, with some I am not so much. But I can put stay sharp. Sharpify is the first place. It's a no.
Thank you, man.
I'm not just being nice. I'm just being like a true, like a based. It's the best experience so far.
Let's go.
And I am trying to implement this experience, like what I got, to my students also, to my clients also, and it's a very good example also. Even I didn't learn. If I didn't learn anything from you, any information, just to watch how your team and how your process works, it is also worth making investment. I'm just getting rid of every information you give, just to watch how it works. It's also.
Hey, sharp people! By the way, if you want more leads, more sales, more meetings, more customers, below this video, I have a presentation where I show and demonstrate how we could help you to get more customers, more leads, and more sales. So, if this is interesting, click below to learn more. But now, let's get back to the video.
Yes.
How has it impacted the other life of your business? No, how has this affected the other areas of your life? Not just your work, but other areas. Well, you're now making more money, having a team. Like what? How has it impacted?
Of course, the lifestyle becomes like more and like a better. I just totally moved to Dubai. I was coming back and I just moved to Dubai. Dubai is an expensive city to live. Moved my business also because I don't want to pay a lot of taxes. And of course, making a lot of surprises and gifts for my wife, of course.
Oh, let's
happy
go.
Wife, happy life.
Happy wife, happy life. That's the good one.
I know. We know about this.
Yeah.
And, of course, like another step for in my business, in my entrepreneurship road, and I'm just looking forward to make it 50 and 100 and or more.
Let's go. And I love how you kind of talked about the team, the goal. So the goal is like 50, 100K. And I also think you have a very good positioning in Turkey because it's like a huge market, right? There's like millions of people. I hope Latvia was million. I wish Latvia was 85. But okay, that's a different story. So where people can find you, Aydin, where they can find you? What's your Instagram handle or your website? Like where can people find you?
Instagram, Aydin.Bars. You can find me in every social media platform with this. Cool. You can just write also.
Below the video in description, we'll also put links to Aydin. So if you want, you can definitely check out him also.
You can ask me if you want anything about Sharpify, about Nick, about his team. Really, because my students also sharing their experience. And we got leads, and I asked to your client. He told you are legit, and I'm jumping in.
Okay.
I also will do the same because I'm happy with this one. It's not hard to me. Just answer some questions.
Cool. So Aydin, thank you a lot. I wish you the best growth. I wish you to make your goals reality, and I hope you all the best. And I hope to see you in Dubai or in Turkey, because we're gonna do an enduro again. You know, like dirt biking. You know, I want to see you get there.
I will be happy.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have
And
a
I
good
see you
day.
next time.
Bye.
Let's go.
Thank you. Bye.